Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure a portfolio with Charles Schwab, full guide step by step clearly. To begin configuring your portfolio with Charles Schwab, visit the Charles Schwab website. Log into your account using your username and password. If you do not have an account, you'll need to create one by providing the necessary personal information. Once logged in, navigate to the Accounts tab on the main dashboard. Select Manage Accounts from the drop-down menu. Here, you will find the option to create a new portfolio. Click on that option to initiate the portfolio configuration process. Next, you will be prompted to choose your investment goals. Options may include saving for retirement, generating income, or building wealth. Select the goal that best aligns with your financial objectives. Once your goals are set, you will need to define your risk tolerance. Charles Schwab typically offers a range of risk assessments from conservative to aggressive. Choose the option that represents your comfort level with market fluctuations. After determining your risk tolerance, it's time to select the types of investments. You may opt for stocks, bonds, mutual funds, or ETFs. Consider diversifying your portfolio to minimize risk. After selecting your investment types, review the recommended asset allocation. This allocation will depend on your investment goals and risk tolerance. You can adjust the allocation percentages based on your preferences. Next, review the suggested individual securities within each asset class. Schwab provides information on various funds and stocks for your consideration. Feel free to research any options that pique your interest directly on the platform. Once you are satisfied with your selections, proceed to the review phase. Make sure to double-check your choices and allocations carefully. After verifying your selections, click the Submit button to finalize your configuration. You may receive a confirmation message indicating that your portfolio has been created. Lastly, monitor your portfolio regularly to track its performance and make adjustments as needed. This way, you can ensure your investments align with your evolving financial goals. With these steps, you'll be well on your way to configuring a successful portfolio with Charles Schwab. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.